Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video is about I am removing the water pump for the Audi Q5 2012 to 2016. First I removed the bumper bar, and then I opened the radiator support so I can have room to work to take off the water pump. Just 3 bolts this side and 3 bolts the other side, and 1 bolt on the top, and other side 1 bolt, and the light has 2 bolts, and the other side 2 bolts. And then I open the radiator support and I can see the water pump easily. Enjoy watching. I think this water pump has 10 bolts. If you can't see them, you can look with the mirror, but can see very easy even without mirror. Keep watching, not finished yet. I'm going to show you the new water pump. If you like my videos, please push the like button on this video and subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet, and comment and share the video please. Thank you very much. Keep watching, please. I didn't take off the engine drive belt completely, just I move it down the pulley. So when I put the pulley back, it's easy to put the belt back. After I put the belt on the pulleys, I double check the 3 bolts of the water pump, make sure they are tight good, not too much, not less, just good. Uh, and then when I put the belt on, I make sure the belt on all pulleys, not outside, so when the engine start, the belt doesn't jump out. See how I'm making sure about the belt on the pulleys in the right way, because it's very hard to reach the belt later if you put the radiator support on. In this moment, I am telling you, don't forget, please push the like button under this video.
Don't forget to push the like button, yeah? Thank you very much.
See how the radiator support, how close to the pulleys, so it's very hard to take off the water pump without the radiator support will be moved.